What's going on, good people? Joshua Jackson, the full quarter performance man. I'm here with Black Men's Beard for Beard Fit Wednesdays. Hey, our objective, man, with Beard Fit Wednesday is not only to give you tips on how to maintain and grow that healthy beard, but also ways of keeping yourself mentally, physically, and spiritually sharp. And, in the same time, look great while you're doing it. So today, man, we wanted to talk about natural ways to boost your testosterone. Testosterone is so important in men and women as it helps with a lot of bodily functions, but also, man, with men specifically and women too, is it helps with their sex drives as well as their confidence boosters. It's sad that with today's society, more young men are suffering from hair thinning, from baldness, from low drives, and men that over the age of 45, over 40% are suffering from the same thing. So what I want to do was I want to give you 9 tips on how to boost your testosterone naturally. First one is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is basically when someone skips breakfast and they eat all their meals in a short period of time in a day for that open window. Now, within doing that, what it does, it naturally helps the liver flush, but also, man, it's a great way to figure out what's really hunger and what's really just food or wanting water. Our second thing that we want to do is heavyweight and interval training. Heavyweight and interval training. Interval training is what we like to call high intensity interval training and heavy weights. One thing that I naturally like to do is I like to do circuits, a lot of circuits, and I like to do a lot of repetitions in a short amount of time, which what is happening is spiking the heart rate, which means what? You're playing with the metabolism, which means what? You're trying to boost the testosterone. You're doing full body workouts, and as we learned in one of our episodes earlier, legs is the best way to release testosterone while you're working out. So, our third one, make sure you're consuming healthy fats, man. Healthy fats are anything from almonds, you have avocados, you have all these great healthy fats that are out here that you should be consuming. Within that, we're also consuming the bad fats. So we want to minimize the bad fats. That's the fast food that we're eating. Those are the things with saturated fats in it. The fast foods, the things that you can grab, the snacks. Those are the big ones. So we want to make sure we minimize those. Number 4, is liver detox. Liver detox, man, is just a good thing. It helps reset everything. It helps you obtain being able to grab all the nutrients that you need, as well as being able to get the liver, because the liver is literally one of the most important organs in the body that you should take care of. So make sure that you're naturally releasing that, and make sure that you're naturally just kind of a detox. Our next one is we want to do stress reduction. Stress is one of the number one, not only one of the number one killers, but also a main reason why a lot of people are hair thinning, why their sex drives are low. So if we can prevent the stress in your life, you can also prevent the low test counts. Number six is vitamin D. Vitamin D is such a big intricate source of testosterone because it helps speed things up. If you ever notice you stretch out when you go into the sun, it's because the sun is a natural pick-me-up. So within that, you want to make sure you get like 20-30 minutes of sun in a day. If you're not, also taking D3 helps as well. And then number seven is kicking sugar. Sugar is one of our hardest things, man, because we all like sweets. It's something about the sugar. But limiting the sugar also helps because it's not clogging things as well, too. So number eight is quality sleep. We want to make sure that we're getting quality rest and quality sleep, so that way your body's able to step back, reset, get ready for the next day. And then number nine is we gotta drop our body fat percentages, man. When you're heavy, you're feeling down, it's what? Your high body fat, which means your testosterone is keeping down, which means your metabolism is working where it needs to be. Reset, redrive. This is Joshua Jackson again, a full quarter performance, and as we always say, salute to the grind.